Do you see that? Look. See this? Watch this. What makes you able to see so many things? From far away, close up, its colors, shapes, sizes. It detects the tiniest trace of light and can switch to the paper in front of you to the distant horizon in a fraction of a second. How does your eye work? The human eye is one of the most wondrous, complex, and miraculous organs in the body. Hundreds of thousands of tiny muscles and processes work together with incredible precision. It is amazing to see how every part of the eye works together to grant the gift of vision. If even the tiniest part of the eye would be out of place or were to malfunction, a person's ability to see would be seriously affected. Did you ever consider the fact that the human eye is even more sophisticated than the most high-end camera? Let me show you a few miraculous things about the eyes. The average adult eye measures less than an inch from top to bottom and less than an inch from side to side. In this tiny space, numerous cells and muscles are constantly working together as a team. The human eye is even more delicate than your fancy camera. To keep it safe, Hashem gave us eyelids to automatically block any harmful pieces of dust or dirt and to spread around the special liquid tears that constantly pour into the eyes, cleaning them and keeping them healthy. Our eyes have been provided with a constant window wiper system, keeping them clean and in pristine condition. Just like your camera has a curved lens that allows it to capture full images, the eye also has a curved outer lens called the cornea. If the lenses of our eyes and cameras were flat, a person would only be able to see whatever is directly in front of him, kind of like looking through a keyhole. Images enter the eye as light rays. After passing through the cornea, the rays enter the pupil, the small dark hole in the middle of the eye. Depending on the amount of light, the pupil will automatically expand or contract, allowing in more or less rays. This is like adjusting your camera depending on the amount of sun or shade. The part of the eye that has color, called the iris, controls the widening or narrowing of the pupil. After passing through the pupil, the rays are then detected by the retina, which is a layer of light-sensitive cells. The retina is around the same size as a postage stamp in its height and width, but thinner in its depth. In this tiny area, hundreds of millions of cells absorb and detect light. These cells are like millions of high-end computers that analyze all of the data put into them. After interpreting the data, the cells then send messages to the brain, telling it the size, shape, colors, and much more about whatever the person is looking at. As you read a sentence or watch a person move, your eyes automatically shift up and down and from side to side. They can do this because of special muscles that pull them in different directions. Without such a brilliant system in place, we would have to shift our entire bodies in order to watch something move or read a sentence from start to finish. Did you know that when you see something beautiful or have someone smile at you, chemicals are released inside of your brain that make you feel happy? The gift of sight enables us to see the beauty of Hashem's creation so we can come close and connect to Him. Stop, think, feel. How awesome is Hashem who created the eye with such perfect details and wisdom.